Sexually transmitted diseases, STDs, are infections that spread through sexual contact, and many of them don't show obvious symptoms right away. This makes testing incredibly important, especially after unprotected sex or if you have multiple partners. Common STDs like chlamydia, gonorrhea, and HIV can linger unnoticed, silently causing damage to your reproductive health, immune system, and overall well-being. For instance, untreated chlamydia can lead to infertility in women, while HIV can progressively weaken the immune system if not managed early. Early detection through testing is the best way to protect yourself and others. Many STDs are treatable with antibiotics if caught early, while others, like HIV, can be managed with antiviral medications to maintain a healthy life. Without testing, you might unknowingly spread infections to partners or face severe long-term health consequences. Testing is also a responsible step towards sexual health. Even if you feel fine, getting tested provides peace of mind and ensures you're not carrying an infection that could harm you or someone else. Regular testing, open communication with partners, and safe sex practices form the foundation of a healthy sexual lifestyle. Don't wait for symptoms. Take control of your health by getting tested. Rapid STD testing at home is a convenient and private way to check for infections. The first step is purchasing an FDA-approved home test kit from a reputable source, such as a pharmacy or trusted online retailer. These kits typically screen for common STDs like chlamydia, gonorrhea, and HIV. Ensure the kit includes clear instructions and has positive reviews regarding accuracy. Many kits provide results within days, but always verify the expected turnaround time before purchasing. Next, carefully follow the instructions to collect your sample. This may involve a urine test, swab, or finger prick blood sample, depending on the STD being tested. Hygiene is crucial. Wash your hands and use sterile materials to avoid contamination. Missteps in collection can lead to inaccurate results, so take your time and adhere to the guidelines precisely. Most kits include prepaid packaging for sending samples to a certified lab. Once mailed, the lab processes your sample and delivers results via a secure online portal or confidential notification. If results are positive, the provider usually offers guidance or consultation with a healthcare professional for next steps. Even if results are negative, regular testing and preventive measures like condom use remain essential for ongoing sexual health. Always confirm the test window period for accurate detection, as some infections take time to show up. After receiving your STD test results, the next steps depend on whether they are positive or negative. If your results are positive, it's important to consult a healthcare provider as soon as possible. They will guide you through the appropriate treatment options based on the infection. Bacterial STDs like chlamydia and gonorrhea are typically treated with antibiotics, which can cure the infection when taken as prescribed. Viral infections, such as HIV or herpes, may not have a cure but can be managed effectively with antiviral medications to reduce symptoms and prevent transmission. Regardless of the outcome, practicing prevention is key to maintaining sexual health. Using condoms consistently and correctly during sexual activity significantly reduces the risk of contracting or spreading STDs. Regular testing, especially if you have multiple partners or engage in unprotected sex, helps catch infections early. Open communication with sexual partners about testing and status is also crucial for mutual protection. Additionally, consider vaccinations for preventable STDs like HPV and hepatitis B. Taking these proactive steps ensures better long-term health and minimizes the risk of complications or further transmission.